Kind, cheerful, and a young man full of dreams. That is how June Alcedo described his son, Kenneth Alcedo, a first-year college student taking up BS Maritime Transportation at a school in Cavite. But his son's lofty dreams will now remain only in their dreams. Kenneth lost his life after falling victim to hazing last March 1.
Tumutulo-pulo ako. Ganon po kaintit, ano po, kapait o ano bang dapat sabihin niya sa nangyari sa anak ko po. Masakit po, masakit sa dibdib, lahat mabigat. Yun po ang nararamdaman ng pamilya namin.
Based on the autopsy results on the victim's body, severe blunt trauma to the lower extremities or extensive beating to the lower part of the body was determined to be the cause of death.
May crack po sa panga, may mga may mga pasa po sa batok, likod, tapos mga kuko po, tapos may mga chili seeds at saka prutas po sa private part po niya. And yung namamaga at pasa po niyang mga hita.
Last Sunday afternoon, the emergency room CCTV of this hospital in Cavite captured the arrival of a silver vehicle. Inside the car was the unconscious Kenneth, who was rushed to the hospital by 3 other individuals. In the video, doctors can be seen immediately reviving the unconscious man.
Allegedly, according to sa nagdalang tao, siya ay victim ng hit and run. Subalit sa ating pagsusuri at sa resulta po ng pagsuri ng ating forensic, lumabas po siya ay biktima ng hazing. Na-identify po natin itong mga personalities na ito at dahil sa sasakyan na ginamit nila at natukoy nga natin yung driver.
Through backtracking conducted by the police, authorities were able to identify 3 individuals who brought him to the hospital, including the driver of the vehicle. Last night, the driver voluntarily surrendered, leading police to identify the other individuals involved in the crime.
Dahil sa hot pursuit operation na ginagawa natin, napilitan siyang sumuko sa himpilan ng General Trias City Police Station at sa umagang ito ay papailan po natin siya ng kasong appropriate case before the prosecutor's office.
The victim's family is calling for justice.
May papangako po. Ayun, sinabi ko po sa harap ng kabaong niya na ipaglalaban po namin. Ipaglalaban po namin. Yung hanggang sa dulo po, kahit naroon po nalapit sa amin, sabi nila, sabi ng may-ari ng punerarya na maganda raw kami kasi maaaring may mga darating na sa amin, alok. Naku na, baka million pa yan, ganyan. Hindi po ako bago na gano'n. Ano pa ang silbi ng pera? Wala na yung kasiyahan namin. Ganon. Hindi namin kailangan ng pera. Kailangan namin hostisya po, hindi pera.
According to Cavite Provincial Police Office, they have also identified the exact location where the initiation rites were conducted. It allegedly took place in a vacant lot in Barangay Langkaan 1 in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. A total of 21 individuals were involved in the hazing, with 9 of them having direct participation in the meeting. Ryan Lisiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.